All right, I've been waiting for a day like this. We got fresh snow on the ground and it's around 20 degrees out. But before I do anything, I'm gonna grab a tape measure and show you exactly how deep the snow is, so we're all on the same page. I've always wondered if my STIHL BR 800X Magnum could clear snow instead of grabbing the shovel or using the tractor with the blade in the back. So today I'm gonna test it everywhere. The deck, the walkways, the driveway, and maybe a few other areas. So if you've ever been curious about this, you don't wanna miss this video. All right, I couldn't find the tape measure, but I found this. You may see Remy come in and out of the shots. She's been all cooped up inside for maybe the last 2 days. All right, this is the STIHL BR 800X, the Magnum edition. So normally I use the shovel or the tractor to plow the driveway and do all the snow work. But this blower has a lot of power and I've always been curious if it could handle light snow and save some time. I always use a 50-to-1 engineered fuel and oil mix for 2-cycle engines. All right, I'll give it a minute to warm up. All right, let's see how deep the main driveway area is. So it's not as much snow as I thought. It's only showing 3.5 inches. Let's see how well it clears this area. All right, we're gonna go the other way because the snow is blowing in my face. All right, let's check this bench. Again, 3.5 inches on this little bench. Let's see how well it clears it off. All right, it cleared everything off. All right, let's try the deck. I'm actually gonna skip on the driveway. Too much work for the driveway. Maybe just small areas. All right, the deck is measuring in at also 3. Let's try the concrete walkway areas. 3 inches. Let's see how well it does here. This was just a little test video. It works. My hands are frozen. Do I recommend it? I don't know. I think I'm gonna stick to shoveling and using the tractor. But yeah, this was just a quick test. So if you like this video, subscribe, like, and please share. Thanks for watching.